Here are two items that I find very helpful in the new version of Google Chrome that was just released, version 98. The first one, up in the address bar, you'll see something that says share this page. And when you click it, you have lots of choices. You can copy the link, you can cast it, save the page as something to your computer or somewhere else. You can share it in Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The other thing that's very helpful, suppose you're on a website and by mistake you close it. You don't mean to, but you made a mistake. You closed it. Well, now there's an easy way to get it back. Just select any empty spot on that tab bar, do a right click, and you'll see something here that says reopen closed tab. Click it, and voila, the tab that I closed in error is right back. Two things that I think are very helpful in this latest edition of Google Chrome. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.